In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change privacy settings on Netflix. We will walk through this slowly so you can follow along even if this is your first time changing account settings. Start by opening Netflix in a web browser and signing into your account. Once you enter your email and password, Netflix will load your usual profile screen, showing the different profiles along the top or center. If you share your account, make sure you log in as the main account owner because some settings only appear for that account. Now go to your account page. On the web, you can find Account in the menu under your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. When the account page opens, you will see sections for membership and billing, plan details, and a section for profiles and parental controls. This page is where almost all privacy options live. Under Profiles, select the profile you want to manage. You will see each profile listed with a small arrow next to it. Click the arrow to expand the profile you want. The panel that opens shows options such as language, playback settings, and privacy and data controls. Choosing the right profile here, make sure you are not changing someone else's experience by mistake. Look for privacy and data settings. Depending on your region, this might appear as a link or a small heading within that profile panel. When you open it, you will see switches or checkboxes for things like personalized ads or data sharing. This area controls how much of your Netflix activity can be used for things like tailored recommendations beyond the basic ones. Review the available privacy options and turn off the settings you do not want. Take a moment to read the short description beside each option. If a switch is blue or checked, it is on. Click once to turn it off. When you change one of these, Netflix usually updates your preferences immediately, so you do not need to redo this later on the same profile. Save or confirm any changes if prompted. Some accounts will show a Save or Confirm button at the bottom of the section. If you see it, click it once. A short message may appear at the top or bottom of the page confirming the updates. If no button appears, your changes apply as soon as you toggle each setting. Next, let us hide your Netflix viewing history. Go back to the account page in the same web browser. Scroll again to the Profiles section, where each profile and its controls are listed. Working from the account page keeps all these privacy tools in one place. Select Profiles, then choose your profile. In many layouts, you will simply expand your profile again with the arrow. Inside that profile area, look for the line labeled Viewing Activity. This is where Netflix keeps a list of everything watched on that profile. Select Viewing Activity. A new page opens showing a date-by-date list of shows and movies you have watched. Next to each title, there is a small hide icon, often a circle with a line through it. This is the control for removing items from your visible history. Tap or click the hide icon next to any movie or show you want to remove. Once you click it, the title disappears from the list or shows a short note that it will be hidden. This action means the title will no longer influence your recommendations on that profile once the change has fully processed. To hide everything in your history, select Hide All at the bottom of the Viewing Activity page. Netflix may ask you to confirm that you want to hide your entire history for that profile. After you confirm, the page will show a message explaining that your full viewing history will be cleared for recommendations and continue watching. Netflix says that hidden titles will not appear as watched, will not be used for recommendations, and will be removed from continue watching. It can take up to 24 hours for the change to appear on all devices, so do not worry if you still see something on your TV right away. After that delay, every device using that profile should line up with the new history. Now let us protect your Netflix profile. This helps when several people share one account but want to keep their profiles separate from each other. You will again start from Account, then Profiles, then choose the profile you want to protect. Open its Settings panel so you can see all the options. Within that profile area, select Profile Lock, then choose Require a PIN. Netflix will ask you to enter your account password before you can turn this on. After that, you will see a box where you can create a 4-digit PIN. Enter a number you can remember, but others will not guess easily. When Profile Lock is active, anyone who tries to open that profile will have to enter the PIN first, and you will usually see a small lock icon next to that profile name on the main screen. With these steps, you have tightened your Netflix privacy, cleaned up your viewing history, and locked your profile with a PIN. If this helped you get Netflix under control, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple guides like this.